how to fix Valorant secure boot. Hey everyone, if you just installed Valorant and ran into the error saying Vanguard requires secure boot to be enabled in order to play, don't worry, I've got you covered. This issue typically pops up when launching Valorant on a Windows 11 PC. The message shows up because Riot's anti-cheat software, Vanguard, needs secure boot and TPM 2.0 to be enabled in order to work correctly. Vanguard is designed to prevent cheating and hacking, and it relies on certain security features in Windows 11. If you're seeing this error, it means secure boot, TPM 2.0, or both are currently disabled on your system. To fix this, you'll need to access your BIOS or UEFI settings. Start by opening Windows Settings and heading to the Windows Update section. From there, go to Recovery and click on Restart Now under Advanced Startup. The restart is the only solution to the Valorant secure boot. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.